Welcome to day 2 of the 12-day QuickBooks challenge. Today is called Cash is King, and that's because we're going to focus on buttoning up our bank accounts for the new year, making sure they're in good shape. We've got a 6-part checklist here we're going to review. And number 1, have all bank accounts been reconciled up to and including the last closing month? So if you have not been reconciling your bank accounts, I would get in touch with a professional certified pro advisor such as myself to help train you on how to get your banks reconciled and maintain that process on a monthly basis. And then if you're just behind, I'd find some time in your schedule to get caught up because New Year is going to be here shortly. Check item number 2, does the beginning balance agree with the most recent bank statement? What I mean by this is if I go into banking reconcile, like I do on a monthly basis to reconcile my accounts, this beginning balance should match my bank statement. If it doesn't match my bank statement, that means that there's a problem and I cannot properly reconcile my accounts. Check item number 3. Are you creating PDFs of the detailed bank reconciliation reports for future reference? So after you are completed reconciling your bank account, you have a choice to print out PDF, a detailed or a summary bank reconciliation report. Best practice is to PDF or print the detailed bank reconciliation report for future reference. If there is a problem, this report does help out, and hindsight's 20/20. So for a couple of clicks, you can save yourself a possible future headache. 4 and 5, I'm going to merge together. Are all outstanding checks current? Are all outstanding deposits current? So how you go about this process is in your check register, banking use register, and select the bank account that you want to, the bank account you want to check. Down in the lower left-hand corner, sort by cleared status using the drop-down menu, and then you're going to cruise up your bank register to the last check mark that you see in the check mark reconciliation column, which is right here. You see this is the check mark. If there's a check mark, that means it's been reconciled. If there is not a check mark, it means it hasn't been reconciled. This means it's been downloaded electronically, or paid electronically. So basically what we have here is a sample file dated in 2017. So if we fast forward to the future and we are in 2017 reviewing this file for older transactions, I have 2 older transactions right here. I have a deposit for $85.66 dating back to 2013, and then I have a funds transfer for $100 dating back to 2016. So I would have to adjust for those older transactions in the file. We call those stale transactions, and they do affect your bottom register, your ending balance of your register. And last but not least on our checklist is, are all the undeposited funds current? And what I mean by that, if I go up to banking, make deposits, and the payments to deposit screen opens up, all the payments that are awaiting deposit or deposits in transit should be current. There shouldn't be any old deposits in here. I see this a lot where there could be months of deposits sitting in here. A lot of times it deals with cash, because sometimes cash doesn't make it to the bank because it may be used for petty cash. But we still have to deal in getting those cleared out. So anyway, that concludes day 2 of our 12-day QuickBooks challenge, and I hope you join me tomorrow. Thanks, and have a great day.